watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. All right, friends, today on this quick episode of DIYNate, just showing you a simple repair my wife did on our couch. She actually took a needle and some thread and sewed this couch back together. Now, it's still got this string hanging out, so I'm going to clip this off right here. And let's go ahead and do that while we're talking. She did a really good job sewing it. She did actually order a kit for this from Amazon. Much better. Took the little strings off there. And so you can see she did a really good job of sewing this. Now, it's a little different color, a little lighter. If we wanted to, we could come back behind it with brown Sharpie or something, or some other things to color it in. But you can even see this part, this side is getting a little worn as well. At some point, we'll probably need to thread that as well. It does look a little trashy, but it's way better than having to replace a nice piece like this. And with the amount of action it gets from our kids, our dog jumping up on it, this thing is pretty nice furniture, and it's something I wouldn't want to just get rid of. The little kit she ordered from Amazon, I'll leave a link in the video description, comes with a very high powered thick needle. The needle itself is strong and can get through there. So this kit has a bunch of the different things you might need and some pretty strong yarn as well. I'm pretty happy, 12 bucks or so on Amazon. So that worked out really well. And I've seen several sofas and other things like this that really require, some level of tune-up to them without having to get rid of the whole thing. As you know, I'm always into saving some money. So for a small dollar repair versus having to go out and buy a whole new one, especially for something we like that's comfortable, etc., this thing has worked out great. So really proud of my wife for doing this and appreciate it. She did it on Christmas Day, so that was her gift to me, saving some money. All right, and there's what the little box looks like, the little kit zipper pouch, pretty nice compact case, and pretty happy with this. Thanks for watching DIYNate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.